Hello students, this is 6th lecture from Unit 1 OEC 552 Soft Computing subject. This lecture helps us to understand the fuzzy set and what is a fuzzy logic and what are the operations we can perform over the fuzzy set. The word fuzzy means vagueness or ambiguity. Fuzziness always occurs when the boundary of the piece of information is not clear-cut. Actually, the fuzzy set was proposed by Professor Zada in 1965 as the extension of the classical notation set. We know that classical set theory allows the membership in terms of binary, 0 or 1, yes or no, on or off, but the fuzzy set theory permits the degree of membership function in the interval of 0 to 1, including 0 as well as 1. So there are so many words in real world like young, tall, good or high, close, near. Every terms are fuzzy. Take the term called a young. There is no single quantitative value which defines the term called a young. For example, some people consider age 25 itself is young. For others, age 35 may be young. The concept young has no clean boundary. So age 35 has some possibility of being young and usually depends upon the context in which it is being considered. So fuzzy set theory is an extension of the classical set theory where the elements have the degree of membership. Assume that the age 35, the person who is having age 35 have 0.8% of membership function with the youngness. So in real world, there exists much fuzzy logic that are vague, uncertain, inexact. So the human thinking as well as reasoning frequently involved with so many fuzzy information. Human can give satisfactory answer because he can able to understand the fuzzy information. But our systems are unable to answer many questions because the systems are designed based upon the classical set theory that we call as digital design. So we want our system should be able to cope up with the unreliable and incomplete information. We need new system. That system is fuzzy system have been provide the solution for this problem. We take the properties of the fuzzy set is same as the crisp set, commutativity, it satisfies associativity, distributivity, idempotency, identity, transitivity, involution and De Morgan law. So the tilde symbol we are representing the fuzzy set. If we follow the crisp set, we will write only the capital A. So all the tilde symbol below the letter indicates that there are fuzzy set. A union B always equal to B union A. A intersection B is equivalent to B intersection A. If you change the bracket and perform the intersection or union, the answer won't be changed. That we call as associativity. Distributivity, instead of A union B intersection C, you can consider A union B intersection A union C. Idempotency, you add the A union A, that will result with the A intersection A will be resultant in A. Identity, if you add the null set to any fuzzy set, the resultant will be the fuzzy set. If you add the universal set to the any fuzzy set, the resultant will be the universal set. You take the intersection of these two. A intersection null set will be the null set. Fuzzy set intersection universal will be the fuzzy set. You take double negation over the any fuzzy set, that will give the original fuzzy set. A subset of the B, B subset of the C, then A will be the subset of the C. So De Morgan law, A union B the whole bar equal A bar intersection B bar. A intersection B the whole bar equal A bar union B bar. Now we see the operations of the fuzzy set. Here the operations are union, intersection, complement, set difference, bounded sum, bounded difference, algebraic sum, algebraic product. We will see one after the another how the operation going to work. We start with the fuzzy union. Take the fuzzy set 1 and take the fuzzy set 2. In order to perform the union, we have to prefer the maximum membership value from this mu of A and mu of B. Consider the intersection operation. So consider the membership value of A and membership value of B. Prefer the minimum value from the group. Go for a complement. Complement is universal set considers the 1. So 1 minus the membership value. The remaining value we consider as the membership function for that given set. The next operation, what is called algebraic sum. The formula for the algebraic sum, mu a plus b of x equal mu a of x plus mu b of x minus mu a of x into mu b of x. Take the algebraic product, multiplication of these two membership value will give the algebraic product. Take the bounded sum. I am going to sum the membership value of the two value mu a of x plus mu b of x. After the summation, if the summation is greater than the 1, we know the degree of membership between 0 to 1. You can include the 1 also for the complete membership. But the value is greater than 1, we have to cut. So for that we use the minimum value of 1 comma that bounded sum. Summing is bounded between the 0 to 1, that's why the name comes as bounded sum. We will prefer at the maximum 1 comma that value. Next one is bounded difference. Instead of taking that adding, you are going to get the subtraction. Subtraction should not produce a value less than the 0. So negative values are not allowed in the membership function. After the subtraction, if the value is negative, we will prefer the maximum value 0 comma negative. So the value will be obviously 0. So difference is bounded by the 0. So this operation is called as a bounded difference. Symbolic notation for the bounded sum is like this, bounded difference is like this. We will see some example under this operations of the fuzzy set. We consider fuzzy set A, x1 have the membership value of 0.5, x2 have the membership value of 0.7, x3 have the membership value of 0. You know that earlier set what we studied in our lower classes, A equal x1 comma x2 comma x3. So x1 will contain the complete membership in that set. x2 will contain the complete membership in the set. Now we have the partial membership, that is degree of membership. Take the second set, second fuzzy set, x1 contains a membership value of 0.8, x2 contains a membership value of 0.2, x3 contains a membership value of 1. Now we will perform the first operation A union B. Fuzzy set A union fuzzy set B equal maximum value from this membership set. So that will be, take the 0.5 with the 0.8, 0.8 will be the maximum. 0.7 comma 0.2, the value will be 0.7. 0 comma 1, the value will be 1. We have to compare the x3 with the x3, x2 with the x2 and x1 with the x2, x1 with the x1. We should not go for a cross comparing, because we prefer the maximum value from this two membership function. Obviously maximum of 0.5 comma 0.8 will be 0.8. Same thing will be for a second function and third function. We will move to the next example. Next example for the second operation. Take the same set A, B, x with the 0.5 membership, x2 with the 0.7, x3 with the 0. B, x1 with the 0.8, x2 with the 0.2, x3 with the 1. Now we go for an intersection. Intersection deals with minimum value from the membership function. So take this first set x1 comma 0.5. The minimum from this 2 will be 0.5. x2 membership function from the 0.7 comma 0.2, the value will be 0.2. x3 function 0 comma 1, the answer will be 0. Okay. How we did this? We did this because we performed the minimum value. We chosen the minimum value from this two group. So the answer will be like this. And take the 0.7, 0.2, 0.2 and 0 comma 1, the answer will be the 0. Go for the third operation we can perform over the fuzzy set. Take the same set. Consider the complement operation now. Complement is 1 minus the degree of membership. 1 minus 0.5, the answer will be 0.5. 1 minus 0.7, the answer will be 0.3. 1 minus 0, the answer will be 1. How we did this? So we calculated the 1 minus the mu a of x. New A of x1 is 0.5, the answer will be 0.5. Same thing for the x2 also and x3 also. Move to the next operation. Take the same set. Now we want to go for a algebraic sum. Algebraic sum formula. This one will be the algebraic sum formula. First we have to take the summation of these two. Summation 0.5, 0.8, the answer will be 1.3 minus. You have to multiply this two. 5 into 8 will be 0.04. Subtracting the value from the 1.3 minus 0.4, the answer will be 0.9. Consider this two. So summing this two will be 0.9 and subtracting 0.14, the value will be 0.76. Multiply this two, value will be 0. Summing this two will be 1. 1 minus 0, the value will be 1. So this will be like this. So answer for that, first one 0.9, 0.76, then 0, 1. Next operation, algebraic product. So we are going for multiplying this mu x1 and mu a of x1 and mu b of x1. 5 into 8 value will be 0.4, 7 into 2 the value will be 0.14, 0 into 1 the value will be 0. So bounded sum, I have to sum these two but the value should not cross the 1. If it is crossed the 1, I have to prefer the minimum value. That is a formula now, is it? So because we have the formula like this. First I sum these two, 0.5, 0.8, the value is 1.3 now. So instead of 1.3, I have to prefer the 1. So the answer will be 1 here. Adding this to 0.9 which is less than the 1, the answer will be 0.9. Adding this to 0, 0 plus 1 value will be 1, minimum of 1 comma 1 the value will be 1. So we perform like this. Take the bounded difference, subtracting this two value is a 0.8 and 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.8 the value will be minus 0.3. Degree of membership won't be minus. So we have to prefer the maximum of 0 comma that minus value, the value will be 0. So how we did this? We take on this formula. So 0 comma minus 0.3 the answer will be 0. Consider this 0.7 minus 0.2 the value will be 0.5 which is greater than the 0, so we take that value. Now consider this 0 minus 1 the answer will be minus 1. Maximum of 0 comma minus 1 the value will be 0. It is not minus 1. So take the another problem. We have two sets now. Sets are represented in different format. Membership values are in the numerator and denominator we have the 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 elements for the fuzzy set A. Same thing is reflected in the fuzzy set B with the degree of membership in the different values. We start with first operation. Go for a union. How to go for a union? Take the maximum value from this two. 1 comma 0.5 the value will be 0.5. Sorry 1. 0.3, 0.4 the value will be 0.4. 0.5 comma 0.1 the value will be 0.5. 0.2 comma 1 the maximum will be 1. Take the second operation. How to do the intersection? Take the minimum value from these groups. So 0.5, 0.3, 0.1 and 0.2. Suppose we perform the complement, how it look like? 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 0.3, 0.7. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 1 minus 0.8, 0.8. Take the complement for the B. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. 1 minus 0.4, 0.6. 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. 1 minus 1, the answer will be 0. Take the set difference. A intersection the B complement. So this is another operation we can perform over the fuzzy set. So A complement B dash. So take the minimum value from these two, 0.5. Second one is 0.3. Next one is 0.5. Next one is a 0. And take the B intersection A complement. Take the minimum value from this two group. B is 0.5. 0. The value will be 0. 0.4, 0.7, 0.5.